या ॲक्च्युली म्हाका तर ती वयर जाली रातची 26 तारखेक आनी आमकां काल सकाळीं जेन्ना ऑफिस ओपन केलें तेन्ना कळ्ळें तर ते चोरान कशें ऑपरेट केलां काय कळना कित्याक आमची सेक्युरिटी आसता सगळें शटर बंद आमचे कॅमेराय आसा थंय पूण कॅमेराचें कितें जालें आमचे थोडे कॅमेरा आर अंडर अपग्रेडेशन फॉर नायट विजन कॅमेरा पावरफूल कॅमेरा तें काम चालू आशिल्लें ताका लागून दे मायट हॅव टेकन एडवांटेज ऑफ दॅट बट सरप्रायझींग इज हाव देव एंटर्ड वी डोंट नो कारण द मेन शटर इज वॉज क्लोज there is no other mark which is seen in the showroom of the footprints or anything because being a rainy season that should have been there. Nothing is there. We don't know from where they have come. There could be. We are, feeling that they might have opened one of the sliding window. They must have used something because that everything is shut. If they had opened and come through that, then that should have remained open. But they have taken so much of precaution that no mark is left there. So they came in our on the mezzanine floor of our sales department, and we had a portable safe. We normally don't keep the money in that portable safe, but that particular day some payments were received after the office hours late. So my person concerned there took the money and kept it in that safe. So that safe is in a cupboard which has got a sliding door. So they have easily opened that. It's a lock which can be opened that way. There was no lock. It is the normal key operated on key. So they must have tried something to open that. They found a safe inside, and they have taken the safe. Now, what we were surprised that from the mezzanine floor to carry that safe, which has got some weight. So to carry the safe, normally in such situation, the robber would have thrown the safe down and then operated on that. But here the safe which we have managed to recover does not have any mark of mud or anything being a rainy season. So then what they have done is they have gone to our spare part stockyard, store that was locked. But they managed to open one lock out of the two locks and made a slight, raised the shutter on one side, and they must have slid inside to find out if there is any iron item available, like a rod or something like that, with which they can hammer it. But that also has not been done. Opened, break the safe, removed the cash which was there, left the safe there, and they have gone.
कितले सुमार अमाउंट कितें आयडिया
आमी ऑलरेडी पुलिसाक सगळे डिटेल्स दिला आमचे कडेन कितें आशिल्लें कितें इट्स ऑल बॅक्ड अप बाय द पेमेंट रसीट्स सो आय थिंक द टोटल अमाउंट वी हॅव गिवन देम अ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अबाउट 2,73,000 that's the total amount that has been given and we since our front cameras were not operative fully what we understand simultaneously similar theft has taken place in Honda dealership, Coastal Honda, and the JCB showroom. But there they have given whatever the figures. I am not aware what figure, how much they have been. But there also the similar situation. They also have the cameras. They also have the security. But one of the pictures which they have been telling us is they were having some weapons in their hand. And weapon म्हळ्यार आमचे कोंकणी भाशेन जे म्हणटा पळय कोयते तसले शार्प कोयते आशिल्ले हातान खंय that is seen on the picture. And the robbers have covered the whole. Only the eyes could be seen. All other thing was covered with the mask-like thing, and they have done the operation. So now we don't know how, in spite of the security, how they have done. Whether they have threatened the security that if you do something, we are going to chop your head. We don't know anything, but it has happened. So we have immediately informed the police yesterday. Police have come with their forensic expert. They have done everything. All investigation is going on.
Okay.
So we know for sure that it is very difficult to recover the cash, but we are of the opinion that the police should ensure that at least the culprits are caught. And from whatever observation, whatever information that we are getting, that first we thought it could be somebody from within the organization or the security people, because it is not easy for doing this sort of thing simultaneously in 3 showrooms. That means they must have come in a gang of few people. And from whatever it looks like that they are not from Goa, but there could be somebody, some miscreants creating these issues from outside Goa. That's what we are feeling.
Yes.
Apart from that, there is nothing that was damaged. They did not bother. They basically came mainly to, I think, see if there is any cash available. From whatever thing has been stolen in Coastal Honda also, the same cash has been taken.